to Shree's Science Experiment. Hello friends, I'm back with my new video. It's a new experiment. I know you are two men, I'm two. Come and listen its name. Its name is Magnetized in Water Experiment. So, to know more about this concept, you need to watch this video till end. Come and see what things are needed to do it. A glass fully filled with water, a magnet, and two safety pins. Come and do the experiment. Take two safety pins and put it into the glass. See, the safety pins are in the glass. Now take a magnet, and you have to do what is to remove two safety pins with the help of magnet. Okay. See, I have removed one. Now it's chance to remove second two. See, I have removed second two. Why this happens? Yes, this happens because the force of a magnet is very powerful. If the glass was made up of iron or steel, then also the safety pin will come out with the help of magnet, right? But in less intensity. Okay, now make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel for our next